And now we're going to start with our Longneck Dinosaur. As you can see, we'll be using two 260s. I've chosen fashion turquoise. One is blown up with about a 3-inch tail. The other has about a little over a 4-inch tail left on it. And then I've got a 5-inch round in yellow that's blown up to about the size of a ping pong ball or so, 1.5 inches, a little less than 2 inches maybe. We're going to start with the longer of our two 260s. Set the other side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start at the nozzle end. Make about a 2-inch bubble. And we're going to make another bubble about the same size, so we've got two 2-inch bubbles. We're going to lock those two together. Tuck your nozzle through to secure that in place. And then we're going to make two small fold twists using about another 2-inch bubble. So make your first fold twist, lock that in place. Make your second fold twist, lock that in place as well. That's going to be the basic head of our long neck there. So you can see it better, I'm going to go ahead and add the eyes. We're going to take our 5-inch round. We're going to divide that into 2 equal bubbles. You'll notice that I've trimmed the knot very closely on all the eyes on this video. You'll see that. What we want to do is take and divide it into 2 equal bubbles, making sure the knot's in the middle. And then we're going to take that and come from under the jaw. Bring one bubble up on either side, so that they meet on top, and then take and just spin them once to lock it into place. And that's going to be the face of our long neck. Now kind of give your bubble a squeeze, and you'll see me frequently squeezing the balloon, softening it, makes it work a little bit better, cuts down on your popping. We're going to make about an 8 or maybe a 9-inch neck there. Then we're going to make a little small bubble after that one. So you've got the long bubble and the little small one. And this small one is going to be a pinch twist, so you want it to be no bigger than 1 inch. It's good if you can see how that one's kind of brown. If your pinch twist bubbles, whatever size balloon you're making, if you make them so they end up brown, it works a lot better. Make that into a pinch twist. Now we're going to take, and you want to divide this pretty close to in half, but we're going to have a little bit extra because we're going to make another pinch twist back here. What you want to get is about that there, so that you've got this bubble, your little pinch twist, and this bubble are both about the same size. And we're going to make that little one a pinch twist, and then we're going to take what's left of the nipple end here, and we're going to lock that into this first pinch twist. So that's what we're going to do with our first balloon. Now we're going to take our second 260. We're going to take the nozzle end, and starting here at the shoulders, we're going to twist the nozzle into that pinch twist at the front, just like that. Now we're going to make 2 legs, and you can make these however long you want. I usually make them about 2.5 to 3 inches, so make your first leg. Make another bubble the same size, so you've got 2 bubbles, and then lock that back into that pinch twist there. Bring it up over the back, and now we need another bubble the same size as these 2 bubbles on the body here. And we're going to go back to this back pinch twist here. Lock it in there, so you've now made a bird body for the body of this animal. Now I need 2 more legs of the same size as our front legs, just like that, and lock it into that back pinch twist. Get a little bit of the shape. What's left over becomes your tail. Let's give it some eyes. And I like to give all my dinosaurs nostrils. And there you have your long neck dinosaur.